After wrapping up our Yandang Mountain trip in 2025, we headed to Nanjing for the last 2 days of the New Year break. This time, we re-staying at the Kempinski Hotel Nanjing. It is right in the city center, super close to historic spots like the Presidential Palace and Confucius Temple. We originally booked a king room, but ended up in a room overlooking a construction site. And yeah, it was pretty noisy. Since I caught a nasty cold after hiking 2 days ago, I really needed some peace and quiet. After a quick call to the hotel, they moved us to a room on the other side. Before we switch rooms, let us take a quick look at their standard room type. The mini bar comes with a capsule coffee machine, some chips, and assorted tea bags. Got an electric toilet here. Check out the bathroom. It's actually quite spacious, and it has a bathtub. Our new room isn't ready yet, so let's head to the lounge to chill for a bit. The lounge is huge and not crowded at all. Really liking the vibe. This part is the dining area. This floor lamp at the entrance looks really cool. The other side is the lounge area, perfect for a drink, browsing magazines, or getting a little work done. It is 5:30. Time for happy hour. I skipped lunch, so my stomach is definitely growling. You get a nice view of the city skyline from the lounge windows. Let us see what is on the menu. Wow. They have grilled salmon, a seafood mix with shrimp, mussels, and squid, twide-eyed seasonal veggies, lamb stew with vegetables, roasted potatoes, and even braised pork belly. The fridge is stocked with juices and soft drinks. Coffee machine, obviously. They've got red wine, spirits, and bar tools, so you can mix your own cocktails. The staff can also whip up some simple drinks for you. They also serve sparkling wine later on. Here, that's the salad and appetizers section. The nuts in the snack area are actually really good. Moving on to fruits and desserts. Beef bone soup and egg fried rice. Check out this fancy boat. It's literally just holding sliced emmental and sushi rolls. Dinner's done. Let's go check out the new room. Wow. Looks like the hotel finally remembered my member upgrade. This looks like a junior suite, where the guest bath usually is. There is a laundry room. Awesome. I can finally wash all my travel clothes. On the other side is a huge walk-in closet. It connects directly to the bathroom. The bathroom is massive and super clean. The tub is much bigger than the standard room, perfect for soaking away this cold. The toiletries they provide have a really strong, pleasant scent. Hotel branded mouthwash. Honestly, not a fan. And they've got all the basic amenities covered though. Let's see what else is in here. Electric toilet again, but this model is a bit small. Your legs might go numb if you're there too long. Shower area is clean, nothing too crazy. Now for the bedroom, it's quite big. Love that they included a bed bench. Pillow menu, I went with the cassia seed pillow. Another television in here as well. Quick look at the mini bar. More coffee capsules. Tea bags. And even red wine with proper glasses. Chips for snacking. soft drinks in the fridge, but these will cost you extra. The living room is also quite large. I love this curved sofa since I am sick. I guess I'll just be lounging here watching television all day. Let's open the curtains and check out the view. Let's see how the hotel breakfast stacks up. It is a mix of buffet and a la carte. Plenty of egg dishes to choose from. They even have Nanjing specialties like old duck porridge and tripe noodles at S6 a.m., so it's pretty much empty. Let's check out the buffet spread. Fried noodles with cabbage. Baby Chinese cabbage and broth. And shredded tofu skin. Egg fried rice. Pork slices with keltis, and cabbage with ham and wood ear mushrooms. Braised eggs, tea eggs, and plain boiled eggs. All the condiments you could want. This is the noodle station, with all the local Nanjing style toppings. Let's see, what's in the steamers? Red bean buns, meat buns, and sweet potatoes. Over here we have cowpea cakes and beef patties, fried spring rolls and sesame balls. The savory tofu pudding station. You can customize your own with various toppings and dried shrimp. A local favorite, sweet taro seedlings. Awesome. They have snow fungus soup. A total lifesaver when you are sick. Pork pot stickers and pan fried buns. Salad bar. And here, the bacon, crispy and soft, plus 2 types of sausages. Sot-eyed, mushrooms, roasted potatoes, etc. Fried eggs. You can also order custom egg dishes here, yogurt section, along with various types of milk and soy milk. A huge selection of cereals and nuts for your own custom bowl. Fruit, flavored yogurts, and smoothies, plus more nuts and flax seeds. Moving on to the side dishes, they have a bunch of different porridges. My favorite is this Meiling Porridge. It is a Nanjing classic. Chinese cold appetizer section. Duck egg, wrapped egg yolk. Never tried this, gotta give it a shot. There is a great variety of cold dishes. Terrines, lotus root, spicy chicken, and more. Soy milk and fried dough sticks, cold cuts and platters. Fruit station, a pretty decent selection here. Let's check out the bakery. They even have Chinese pastries. I highly recommend the red date and walnut cake. Various soft breads and muffins. Fresh honey, and a variety of house-made jams. Pancakes, and bread pudding. All sorts of croissants, puff pastries, and egg tarts. Black tea, green tea, and even Chinese herbal teas. More fruits, grapes, cherry tomatoes, longans, and winter dates. Juice station, breakfast is done. Let's go, take a look at the gym. The gym is quite spacious and there are already a bunch of people working out. There is also a large yoga studio here. Sadly, I had to cancel my plans for the Nanjing Museum and other spots because of this cold. It's a bummer, but honestly, just lounging on the sofa, watching television, and soaking up the sun, not having to worry about what for dinner was actually pretty nice. We'll definitely be back when I am feeling better. Did you guys enjoy this video? Let me know your thoughts on Nanjing in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support keeps us going. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.